Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to invoke or initialize or start chat from the Salesforce Experience Cloud site on click of a button. For that, I am making use of Lightning Web Component. In my Lightning Web Component, I have four input text box where I will be capturing first name, last name, email, and subject. Once the guest users click start chat, it will immediately invoke the chat. I don't want my users to click this to invoke the chat. For that, first we have to create a channel menu. In order to automatically start a chat in Salesforce Experience Cloud site, we should have a channel menu. So go to channel menu in Salesforce setup and click new deployment. Here I am using, let me view it so that we can check it. So here I am making use of Salesforce Embedded Service Chat. So I have Embedded Service Chat deployment with the name Embedded Service with Bot. So I'm making use of the Embedded Service Chat here. So if I go to Embedded Service deployment, I should be able to see that. So in the channel menu setup, I'm using Embedded Service with Bot, which is Salesforce Embedded Service deployment. So this is my Embedded Service deployment. And in the builder, we have to add channel menu, and you have to select the channel menu which you created. So here I have created a channel menu with the name channel menu itself. So in the builder, I have selected the channel menu. Once this is done, go to settings, go to security and privacy, set the clickjack protection level to allow framing of sites on external domains, and in the security level, set relaxed CSP, permit access to inline scripts and allowed hosts. Select this option. Make sure Lightning Locker is disabled. Once all these things are done, you have to add all the sites. It will display here from the channel menu and from the Salesforce chat deployments. It will show all this URLs to be trusted. So you can click allow URL when you come to security and privacy, and then you can allow all the scripts that can load and serve from this Experience Cloud sites from these endpoints. These are all Salesforce chat endpoints, so you are allowing those trusted sites. And after that, publish your Experience Cloud site. In my Lightning Web Component, I'm using four Lightning input. So whenever there is a change on the value, it will call handle change. And from the Lightning button, I'm calling start chat method from the JavaScript. So whenever handle change method is called, it will check what is the label. If the label is first name, then the value I'm storing it in str first name. If the label is last name, I'm storing the value in last name. If the label is email, I'm storing the value in str email. If the label is subject, I'm storing it in str subject. So if they enter all these values, it will be stored in this four variables. So with the help of handle change method, which will be invoked from all this Lightning input, will make sure all the values are stored in these variables. From the start chat, I am using embedded underscore svc dot live chat live agent API dot start chat. This is the method it will be invoked, and I'm using direct to agent routing Button ID, this is the button ID to which the chat will be routed. Fallback, I'm setting it to true. And I'm making use of pre-populated pre-chat fields so that the values that are entered by the users like first name, last name, email and subject will be passed, and then it will immediately start the chat. Let's demo this. So test at test.com, testing case from chat. So this will be my contact and this will be my subject. I'm going to click the start chat button. It will invoke this start chat JavaScript method. From here it will invoke the chat. Since we have added the Lightning Web Component and as well as the channel menu here, Salesforce will be able to interact with the Live Agent API library. This is loaded as part of this. So we are making use of that embedded underscore svc dot live agent API dot start chat. Since we are doing this, we are making use of Lightning Locker to be disabled. So we disable this Lightning Locker since this Lightning Web component has to talk to this channel menu. Okay, so now if I click start chat, see hello test, this is my first name, and then it is invoking my bot. Let's go to the chat transcript so that we can verify the chat information. So contact is test at test.com, testing case from chat. So we can make use of Lightning Web Component, which can invoke embedded underscore svc dot live agent API dot start method to invoke the chat. In the Experience Cloud builder, we have to make use of channel menu. If we use embedded service chat, it won't work. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample Lightning Web Component which we referenced in this video. In the same blog post, I have shared the screenshots for your reference. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.